The WantJoin 2200W commercial blender is designed with a quiet and soundproof shield to minimize noise and prevent splatters, making it ideal for use in family gatherings and parties. Equipped with a powerful 2200-watt motor and dual-direction blade technology, this blender delivers consistent and robust blending performance for a variety of foods. Its elegant design, with an exquisite outlook and shield cover, is perfect for maintaining a peaceful atmosphere in restaurants, cafes, and bars. A convenient feeding hole on the top of the shield cover allows for easy addition of ingredients during blending, and it comes with a tamper to assist with dense mixtures. The self-cleaning feature and overheat protection make it easy to maintain while ensuring safety during use. With a 10-year warranty and professional customer service, the WantJoin blender is suitable for both home and commercial settings, offering peace of mind and reliable support.